2021 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63s. Like most proper AMGs these days, the GLE 63S Coupe sports the brand's hand-built twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 under the hood. Separating it from the typical AMG pack, however, is the addition of the brand's EQ-Boost electric motor, which mounts between the engine and transmission. According to Mercedes, the electric motor alone doles out as much as 21 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque. The so-called mild hybrid powertrain comes in just one state of tune and feeds its power to the ground by way of a 9-speed automatic gearbox and a variable all-wheel drive system. With a total of 603 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque, the GLE 63S's bi-turbo vent 8 helps it sprint to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. Press on, and the mighty Mercedes reaches an electronically limited top speed of 174 miles per hour. Electric AMG. The GLE 63S's electric motor isn't limited to assisting the gas-sipping engine. In fact, it's also responsible for automatically starting and stopping the engine to save fuel at the likes of traffic lights. Thanks to its 48-volt electrical system, the GLE 63S sports a trick electronic roll stabilization system. Dubbed AMG Active Ride Control, the setup works with the standard air suspension by incorporating a pair of electromechanical actuators at each axle to limit any unnecessary body motions. Helping slow this crossover down are 15.7-inch front and 14.6-inch rear rotors clamped by 6 and single piston calipers, respectively. The big brakes sit behind standard 22-inch AMG specific wheels that Mercedes touch. AMG also fits the GLE 63S with 7 separate drive modes: Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, Individual, Race, Trail, and Sand. In short, this crossover is theoretically ready for just about any driving condition, although it's of course more at home shredding asphalt than anything else. Like other new Mercedes models, the GLE relies on the company's MBUX infotainment system that features goodies like a digital voice assistant, augmented reality navigation, and Apple CarPlay/Android Auto functionality. Thanks to its AMG lineage, though, the setup in the GLE 63S also has an available Super Sport mode, which allows the system to display the likes of engine and transmission oil temperatures, a lap timer, and a G-force meter. The 2021 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S SUV will storm the pavement next summer 2020. Thank you for watching my video. Looking forward to your registration and support for my next video.